Hey everybody, it's Shasta. Welcome back to my channel for those of you returning, and for the newcomers, thank you, glad you're here. Today we're going to be learning about how to do a split ring with 2 colors and needle tatting. All right, let's go. Okay, so in this video we're going to be doing 2 color split ring tatting. And so you'll make sure you need 2 different colors of thread, your tatting needle, scissors, and a needle threader. I'm using size 5 needle and size 10 cotton thread. One of the colors you can leave attached to the ball, and then another color you'll need to probably pull off about 2 feet and cut it from the ball. And depending on the size of the project, you're going to need probably a lot more thread than that. This is just for the practice motif that we're going to do here. So you'll start with making a square knot, and then just make sure it's really snug and secure. And grab your needle, and then we will start the ring with doing 8 double stitches. So you'll place your needle right there at that knot to start your first stitch. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you'll turn the needle around, take your other color of thread, and you'll do 8 more double stitches. And don't worry too much about that knot right there. It'll snug up once you start. So there's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take that second color you just ended with, and you're going to re-thread the needle. And you do want to be mindful of all of that thread you have to pull through, because we're going to be closing the ring. There's a lot of thread to deal with, so as you can see, it can be kind of hard to keep untangled. So just when you close the ring, just go slowly. Make sure your thread's kind of as straight as you can get it so it doesn't get caught up. And the further you get along, that will get easier because you'll have less thread to deal with. So we'll go ahead and close the ring like you normally would, and you'll run your needle through that loop once it gets smaller here. So just take your time. As you can see, it twists up on itself, and that just always happens. So alright, and then pull your ring closed as normal. And then we'll have this really neat effect with the 2 color split ring. I love the way this looks. I think it looks so neat. So after you've closed your ring, then you will put a knot to secure. And then you're just going to repeat the same pattern. So you'll do 8 double stitches, and then after you've done that, you'll turn the needle around, and you'll need to unthread it this time, because when I started I didn't have it threaded. So you'll unthread it, and then you'll do the second set of 8 double stitches. Alright, so I just unthreaded the needle and then doing the second set of 8. And then you will rethread the needle again. And then just close your ring, being mindful of all the thread you're dealing with. And for this small motif, I just repeated 2 more times to do 2 more rings. So I will go ahead and do that and then meet you back here at the end. And you will notice that on my split rings, the colors are kind of alternating. If you want the side of the ring to be the same color all the way up the pattern, you just need to pay attention to whether or not you turn your work when you tie the knot. So it just depends how you like to look. I like the alternating look for this, so that's why I did it this way. But you could line it up so like all the blue is on one side and all the yellow is on one side. Just need to play around with it and then see which way you need to tie your knot when you secure your ring. So this is the last split ring I did on this. So I do 2 knots here at the end to make sure it's extra secure, and then I will go ahead and clip off the thread and then weave in my ends. So I'll show you how I weave my ends in here using the needle threader. And then I will meet you back here after I have finished that. Okay, and so after you get your ends weaved in, then just clip off the tails. And then after you've done that, you'll be all finished. And I really appreciate you watching the video. If you got value from it, please comment, like, share it with people you think would also get value from it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get notifications when I upload new videos. I will be adding a video soon that actually has a split ring in the pattern for earrings that I've made with beads. So there you have it, split ring 2-color needle tatting. Thanks for watching.